Hello, friends. My name is Angelo from Pasco County Libraries. Today, I'm going to read Rainforest by Julia Groves. I would like to give a very special thank you to Child's Play Publishing for allowing me to read this book. Startled eyes shine red in fright. Glimpses of white on the damp forest floor. Scarlet shapes stand in the still, cool waters. Flickering tongues sense the air. What animal hisses like that? Orange beak gleams in the sunlight. Fleeting ripples trace the runner. Quiet companions in the shade of the trees. Tiny foragers transport their treasure. Bright glimmers in the dark water. Slowly stalking, majestic and silent. Outspread wings blaze yellow. That is bright yellow, isn't it? Still waters reflect danger. Calls rumble low across the canopy. Solitary and still, high in the trees. Don't fall, little guy. Dark shadows swoop in the twilight. Wow, that was a great book. I love all the colors in the rainforest. I hope you do too. Thank you for joining me today.